Every other day, we are witnessing the revolutionary manifestation of AI models. Quite recently, it's transforming the image editing. Look at these images edited with Alibaba recently released Qwen 3. Alibaba has introduced photo editing features inside her large language model. We can now edit any image just by writing our desired requirements. Let's start testing it. I'm going to upload this vintage old photo of a family which I want to colorize it. My simple prompt is colorize this image. You see Qwen 3 is processing the image and there we have colored version of the image readied in front of our eyes. Let's have a side-by-side comparison of the edited image with the original one. Just look at the image. Everything has been done with perfection. Be it lighting, colors, and even skin tones are excellently preserved. Removing the background is always a tedious job. Let's see how Qwen 3 fares through this task. I'm going to upload the photo of my son whose background needs to be removed. Here is my prompt. Remove the background of this photo of a little boy and replace the background with blue color. Now hit the enter key and wait for the response. And boom, there we have perfect photo with background completely replaced with our desired color. Let me download the photo, change its orientation and give you a comparison of both the images. Just look at it. A perfect job. Absolutely perfect. Now let's try to change the dress colors. I'm going to upload this male model photo which I have downloaded from pixabay.com. And here is my prompt. Change the shirt color to sky blue and pant to black and put on a wristwatch on the hand. Press enter and wait. And there you have it, a photo with all our desired qualities. Let's download and contrast it with original photo. Look at the shirt's color and bands replaced with watch in the edited image. Even it understood the context and gave it black background. So these were a few quick examples how AI has perfected the image editing capabilities in just a few months. That was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.